Electronic Arts develops, markets, publishes, and distributes video game software and content, played by consumers on a range of platforms, including video game consoles, personal computers, handheld game players, and mobile devices. The company publishes over 800 popular games, including Rock Band, Madden, Need for Speed, The Sims, Medal of Honor, and Harry Potter. EA has over 7,800 employees, located in offices throughout the world, and has annual revenues of nearly $4 billion.
I think, well, here at Electronic Arts, we get a lot of email. I work on a lot of different projects, and even with the sound email management strategy, it can be, pretty tough to keep up with it. So with the stream feature, it allows comments to be tied directly to a project and to also have a little bit better historical reference. If instead of trying to dig up an Exchange archive or try and find that old email when things are heating up, you can just go right to the stream and find it there.
Using the stream functionality and being able to see the communication, I'm able to really detect, what's going on in the project, and being able to see specifically from the resources, one-liner updates that explain roadblocks, explain delays that we have on projects. I don't have to dig for it.
Before, when I had documents floating around on my desktop or floating around in a file system someplace, or attached to an email thread that's months old, just locating it could be a 15-minute, half-hour task. Now I can click on the project, click on the task, go to the stream, go to the document tab, there it is.
@Task, especially the new version, is an innovative, cutting-edge solution for being able to change the landscape in your company and the way you communicate and improve your project management business.
The big advantage to me for this latest version of @Task is the communication.
Team members are excited about using it because it is just simple to use.
Bottom line is that the easier a piece of software is to use, like @Task stream functionality is, it increases the likelihood that people are actually going to use it, and that's really key.
@Task is just not for a certain type of project. You can manage any kind of project, like Scrum projects, where we have been managing sprints using @Task, normal development work, miscellaneous projects where you just have random tasks over there and you can just assign resources. A lot of people all over the world are using @Task, who are not just the software companies, any kind of industry, they are using @Task, and I have found it to be a very user-friendly tool and easy to manage.
I do use @Task for my personal task workflow management in case of large strategic projects where I can track my own tasks and help get the status of the tasks on a day-to-day basis.
It's easier for me to do my job with the help of @Task because there's less administrative tedium on my part as the project manager to have to run around and check for statuses and sit people down and do conference calls. It's all sort of streamed to me in one place, and I can check it on my iPhone. I can go to the stream and check updates there in real time, or I can just open up a project plan.
We're starting to increase our use of project templates. I myself have developed a couple of templates because in large part, when I set up a new game for customer service, it's a variation on a theme, and so it makes it very easy for me to go in, create a template, get a integration project started, drop that template into the project, and that gives me a baseline to start my planning from.
Everybody has really liked the stream feature and the working on feature, and the work request feature, where you are requested to work on something. If you have got any concerns or issues, you can propose a new dates if you are already tasked with something else, and that feature is a real cool feature, and everybody has liked it very much, I would say.
For someone who is not using @Task, I would say that @Task is a very effective project management tool with very good collaborative features built into it, and I would suggest everyone to use Attask.